Well, members of the media, fans and the entire community, you're most welcome to this press conference today, which is aimed at unveiling my new manager. Before I continue, allow me to remove my mask so that you clearly see me. Well, my name is Okello Julius, aka Clever Spider. Most of you know me. I'm an artist who has been in the game for some good time. Before I show you my new manager, let me give you a brief background on how far we have come musically. It has not been an easy journey. We have struggled, and through your help as our fans and the entire community, we are here today. Whatever we have achieved, we are so much appreciative to you, and we hope for a better step from today. Music has actually brought me to the point that you people know me today. Music has helped me in very many ways. I have achieved so many through music. That's why I decided not to give up, and because of the responsibilities, so many responsibilities that are attached to me, I came up with an idea of getting someone to help in the management of this music. So far, I've released so many songs, and on the pipeline, we also have some new music that we will be showcasing soon. And the way I have seen my brother, I really see a future from now. Bro?
Yes.
This gentleman is called Omoding. He's a very big person. He can talk for himself. It's called Omoding, aka DJ Speech. He has been in the game for some time. He has professionally managed events. He has managed so many things that attracted me to team up with him to push the industry. Actually, we are doing this not specifically for ourselves, but as legends of this game in the region, we hope to make a future better for our kids who are coming tomorrow. That's why we are trying to up the game, so that when our children, of course, I'm very sure one of my children will want to join music because I am a musician. Genes follow. That's why I'm holding on. Though I have so many things to do at the moment, I have decided that I will not quit the game, not until I put it to the level that an artist will be able to benefit from his work. That's why we are actually adding more fire. Teaming up with my brother Speech will actually diversify. Will enlarge our areas of operation, where as an individual, a single person can touch. I am sure now, when we team up, we will be able to touch where I have not been able to touch as an individual. So thank you very much. Before I conclude, may I give Speech the opportunity to say something, and how you feel with your new role. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, my brother, Clever Spider. I know so many people who are watching us at the moment. Excuse me. Yeah, I think I can now be seen clear, like I'm now very visible. Yeah, so many people from different entertainment and media fraternities who are watching us right now. The great heartfelt supporters and fans of Clever Spider as an artist, as an individual. It's a great pleasure for me to be cited to take up a new responsibility that pertains the management of already established music brand. Clever Spider is a big brand. I look at him as a father, a legend, an icon in the music fraternity, not only in Teso but in Uganda at large. Because when I listened to his background, I asked him to tell me how he started. This gentleman started from far, that some of us even didn't believe. This gentleman started from Leon Island, those days when Chameleon was also still. But he has managed to maintain the game up to date. So this responsibility is quite demanding on my side. But I would like to thank God and thank you, the fans, the strong, genuine fans of Clever Spider who have always supported his music from the time he started. It is not an easy thing because you are always demanding for new songs. So it is a big task to him as an artist, provided that these days he has to work on a little regulated area of operation, but more diversified, as he has said, because I believe he's a person who multitasks. He has a lot of things, and I think that is one of the things that made him think of coming up with such kind of an idea. And this was a joint thing. It was not an individual's idea. It was a joint thing, but when we looked at where we have begun, it is really a long journey. We started, I got to know him those days, I think in early 2011, 12 there. So from that time, I've been seeing him as a very disciplined person, and all of you know him for that. And that's one of the things that made me to this initiative, that we sat down and talked about it and agreed on a number of things that includes boundaries. For engagement. So my task as a manager or an overseer of his music career demands me to do a lot of things. But one of the key things that I will be tackling in my engagement with him is making sure that he remains relevant from Monday to Sunday, from January to December. He's relevant, whether there is a new song or there is no new song, but he has to remain relevant. That's one of the key things that I want to handle. And two, I want to make sure that he at least get something from, most of the artists in Teso. They produce music just to produce music. There is not much that they get from music. But now where we are heading, it's something that is promising. I'm seeing sites that are coming up which are paying. Hearing radio stations are also going to begin paying artists, and that is what we are looking up to. So that tomorrow he's able to support his family. I'm also able to support my family and all those who depend on us. I thank you so much for giving us your time, and I want to say that with God everything is possible. I cannot exhaust everything now, but I think we shall keep in touch. I task you, the fans and supporters of Clever Spider and DJ Speech as a person and a brand, to actually cooperate with genuine interests. Thank you.
Okay, first your new management and probably the way your music has been, what should we expect in the next 2 years? That is as far as music is concerned.
Well, actually, we have been doing music regularly just like that, but now with this emerging with my brother, we are trying to professionalize things. You see, an artist cannot do everything for himself. You cannot be a producer, be an artist, be the promoter of your own music, distribution, everything of the sort. But with the division of roles, work becomes easier. I will now concentrate on the production bit of it, I know the manager will do his part. Manager has a very big task, changing the game right from now. You see, management and the sales is actually identifying the consumer need and the delivering according to what people want, of which has been very difficult. You are in the studio at the same time. It's also there's also demand of promoting. I'm sure now with the speech in 2 years' time, we will have conquered Uganda and East Africa at large. Our aim is to push Teso music. We cease calling it Teso music. It will now be a Ugandan or rather African music. That's where we're headed to.
Being a new manager, are you only going to manage Clever Spider, or in case any person also comes, you can actually manage them?
This is, some people may think like this is a commercial engagement, but what I want to assure everyone is this is a joint initiative that is kind of partnership. So it is teamwork. So I cannot say I am going to manage someone else, because one, I first need to learn a lot about my brother, who is like a father at the same time, both to me and in the game. I believe maybe after some time, but that will be subjected for curious discussions with him, because I may not be able to attract a lot of responsibilities, and yet I already have an immediate demanding responsibility.
Okay.
Yeah.
For how long is this partnership between the two going to take place?
I think it's open. For now it's indefinite, unless otherwise, if there's anything along the way that will require revision. But for now, we actually, I'm meant to say we're partners for life, in case there's nothing that comes in to disrupt. As you have said, this is not a commercial thing kind of setup. It's a brotherhood. We identified the gaps that we needed to address as brothers, not at the commercial point of what? View. We have identified the gaps as brothers, and we said, how shall we fix these gaps and up the game in the region?
To the new manager, are you trying to tell us that other artists should go from Clever Spider today and also get managers, or there is a way you want them to deal with the game?
Being an experienced person in the game, in entertainment, I can bear the witness, I can testify that most of the successful music brands in the whole world are attached to management. Management plays a very big role in making sure that the game runs in the way it's supposed to run, professionally, not guesswork, not just gambling. So I want to encourage people to, let me be specific, artists, majorly for Teso, to copy from Clever Spider. Clever Spider, many might think like it's established, it doesn't even need a manager and so forth. But a manager plays a very important role in guiding an artist's career. So with you being in the control of management, you're able to explore a lot, you're able to do a lot of things at your own free time, because most of the responsibilities are delegated to the manager. The manager knows what to do, so you have time to attend to your personal stuff and so forth. Your work is only to do the cooking, and the manager will do the rest. So artists should also embrace the same, and I believe if we all embrace this, I believe the game will change.
Okay, several times artists have always complained of being paid very small amounts of money whenever they are called for shows, even if some of them already have managers. That has been a very big concern. Now that because of the pandemic, maybe after everything normalizes, how are you going to handle that kind of issue?
That's a very important question, very, very important question. I've also witnessed and had those complaints, majorly from artists from up country, that they are always underpaid by big promoters who bring in events. The reason is lack of cooperation. But if everybody, like now that Clever has management, it means we shall always be sitting down to make sure that we set the pay rates, negotiation boundaries. So if it is anything below our standard, then we just can't subscribe to that deal. We let it go. And if other artists also have at least minimum pay rate per booking, then we shall be able to regulate the amount artists receive from promoters. But if artists are independent, they are running their own brands. You know, most of them are broke. They give them some little money. They run simply because they don't have where to get the money. But if what I want to advise on this aspect is that I want artists to open up their minds, not only to depend on music. Because when you depend on music alone, look at the situation that we are in now. We have nowhere that we can get maybe shows, gigs and so forth, and you're just there. So open up your mind, do something else, so that these changes don't take you like a storm. So
just to add on that, I'm actually adding on, basing on the experience that I've grasped so far in the field. Underpayment or overpayment depends on the brand that you're holding. You see, it's like having a product in the market that's not worthy. You have not promoted it. No one knows about it. No one even knows its worth. But you are forcing people you want someone to pay what they think is not worth your brand. So it's all about branding yourself. If you are well branded, let me give an example of commodities that we sell in the shops. Not all of them have same prices. Some others are a little expensive than the others. Reason being, the value. People see the value in them. But if you're not branded, you actually, what you're delivering, you sing music, where music has reached, people sing anything to entertain. But the public judges, they say that, yeah, this person has really delivered the message and he deserves to be called for a show. You get it. Even songs don't actually capture people's attention the same way. You sing a song and you find the other person's song is rocking and yours is not rocking. So branding, mind what you're singing, mind your management, mind everything around you. You'll be able to tag yourself with the price.
Okay, now there are these two confusing brands. There is Icon and there is Clever Spider. Is the new manager managing Icon in general because Clever Spider falls under Icon, or is the only managing Clever Spider?
Icon is actually part of Clever. I may say it's just the same thing. It's only that sometimes we don't want conflict of interest, where you have a business running and you want everything under your name. You get it? So Icon came to be Icon through who? Through Clever Spider. So Icon and Clever, it's actually, Icon is a management of Clever Spider. It's a brand that manages what? Clever Spider, because that's where the production is done from. So all the management of Icon and Clever under my brother's speech from today.